Yeah, I'm looking and reaching, I'm hoping I achieve it. Now I'm chasing these feelings, cause I know they're always leaving. Now I'm running.
So hello guys, welcome back to another video of TechHood. So I hope guys you are all doing fine. So our today's topic is, you all be knowing, it's fading LED, right? You must have read it in the topic section of our video. So we'll just dig right into it. So this is our the home section of the Autodesk Tinkercad. So we'll go to this lecture 5. So today's is lecture 5, and again we will be needing a Arduino for that to program our circuitry. And today we will be using a new component, that is potentiometer, right, for the fading LED. So okay, here we are. Now I'll just import a potentiometer. So here it is a 3-pin component, as you can see, terminal 1 wiper and terminal 2, and I need a LED, right, and a breadboard as always, because it's a very useful component. Okay, so I have imported a breadboard small. Alright, so I have dragged all the components in my work plane. Okay, now I will place my potentiometer. So I will just place it right here, and I place my LED over here. Okay, now comes the wiring part. So we have taken all our components, आप देख सकते हो अपनी स्क्रीन पे, राइट, हमारी स्क्रीन पे. So now what I will do is, basically our potentiometer is used for a variable value. So we assign a variable value to this LED, right, कि हम we can control the brightness of this LED so that it becomes a fading LED, right. So अभी मैं समझाता हूँ यार what I am trying to tell you. So first we need to give a voltage to this potentiometer. So I will take this 5 volt pin, and the terminal 2 is basically the 5 volt input, right, over here on the right hand side. Okay, now this middle one wiper is basically the analog input that we are giving, right. So we will need a analog pin, right. Again I would like to remind you that if any one of you, यार किसी को भी अगर आर्डिनो के बारे में नहीं पता माइक्रो कंट्रोलर, just comment it down in the comment section and we will bring a different track for this Arduino microcontroller, right. And definitely in the future we will be working on Raspberry Pi and different microcontrollers, right, not only this Arduino Uno, right, Nano and other Jetson and all those microcontrollers that we have in electronics. So basically we'll be needing an analog input. So for that मैं use करूँगा this analog 0 pin, right, A0. Okay, and I will just place it over here, and okay, so here we have it. And this will be our ground wire, this terminal 1. So what I will do is, if I just remind you, this whole row is samely connected, right, this whole row is same connected for terminal 1. So मैं यार यहाँ से join कर दूँगा इस negative ऊपर, ground पूरी जो row थी है, right, negative. Okay, and I will mark it as black as our notation goes, right. And this 5 volt input I will mark it as red. Simple. So our potentiometer is now connected, right. Now we have to connect our LED, right. So our LED will also have a ground, right, from cathode. So I will just join it over here with a ground row. This is the ground row, right, mark it as black. And now this LED anode will be connected with the digital pin of our microcontroller, right, that is Arduino. So for that I will be choosing this LED 6 pin, and I will just join it over here, mark it as let's say orange, right. And now we will be grounding our circuit. So I will take one wire from this row towards the ground of our Arduino. Okay, and mark it as black. So this is our whole circuit connection, as you can see over here, right? So what is happening, I will just recapitulate it for you. So basically there is a 5 volt input that is being given for the potentiometer on terminal 2. Analog 0 analog input wire, that is the analog 0, we are giving it to the wiper of the potentiometer, and then we are grounding the terminal 1, we are grounding it, okay, with this black wire. And also we are grounding our LED pin over here only, right? And now we'll be giving input, a digital input to this LED through this 6 pin 6, digital pin 6, okay. And now we will be grounding our circuit from, I just chose this point and I grounded it with this Arduino. So that is the whole circuitry, and now we'll I will show you the code, that how we have to write the code, right? If you have any problem, because it will take time if I write code, right? So I have already written it over here. So if you don't know how to write this type of codes, basically the embedded C language, so just comment it down. We have already started, हमने यार start कर दिया है C++ कोडिंग के बेसिक से, and also a problem solution series. So you can consider that, and if you want a dedicated series on embedded C, right? So आप लोग comment down कर सकते हैं in the comment section, and we will keep it as our first priority, because अगर embedded C नहीं आएगा, so we won't be able to program this kind of circuitry, right? And for those people who know it or have a basic idea, so basically we will just continue with this code, right? So first of all, basically ये जो आप first 3 lines देख रहे हैं in this code, right? I'll just focus it down. Yeah, so this is int LED pin equals to 6. So what we are doing is, this is our data type, right? So we are defining it as a global variable over here. So this is an int, so basically our data type will be an integer, right? And this LED pin equals to 6. So basically what we have chosen over here is the LED pin 6, right? We chose it over here and we have mentioned it. So what does it signify? So I've just added a comment so that you guys have and even if any other person who is not able to get the individual sense of the code, like let's say there is a pin mode and that, so they are able to get to know easily. So this is saying LED connected to the digital pin 6. I will write 6, okay. Now over here, and okay, I'm just okay. Now int analog pin A0, so we chose A0 over here, right? So I have marked it as potentiometer connected to analog pin A0, and there is a int val equals to 0. So this is a assigning that we are an integer that is 0, right? So it will act as a variable to store our read value. We will get to know what is our read value over here when we come to this loop. So okay, now in void setup we have chosen our LED pin to be the output, right? So over here you can see we have chosen, okay. And now in the void loop what we are doing is we will be assigning our this value to analog read, right? This is a function, right? Analog pin, so this is the pin that we are using, A0, and then analog write function will be there. So what happens is basically analog read value takes it from 0 to 1023, right? But when we write the function analog write, what happens is the value gets divided by 4. We have added this function right over here. So what will happen is when it gets divided, the analog value takes the value from 0 to 255, right? So now we will see when this loop gets when we simulate this circuitry, right? So our code is done. Now I'll just tap start simulation, okay. So as you can see our USB is plugged in right into the Arduino, और यहाँ पे हमें green light मिल रही है, that means our Arduino is working, but our light is not glowing. So basically this is the potentiometer, there is a dial, right? So we'll just twist it and you will see the change in the LED brightness. You saw it? So it is working as a regulator, right? The regulator that you have for your fan in the room. आपके कमरों में फ़ैन होते हैं ना यार, उनके स्विच के साइड में एक रेगुलेटर होता है. सो इट इज़ वर्किंग एज लाइक दैट. सो हम यहाँ पे एलईडी हटा के हम एक डीसी मोटर को भी रख सकते हैं, राइट? एनी कंपोनेंट दैट इज़ टेकिंग अ एनालॉग इनपुट, राइट? सो हम एक यहाँ पे डीसी मोटर भी रख सकते हैं एंड इट कैन वर्क ऑन वेरिएबल स्पीड दैट वी आर अप्लाइंग इट फ्रॉम हेयर, राइट, थ्रू आवर पोटेंशियोमीटर. सो ज़्यादातर जो हमें ब्राइटनेस का चेंज दिख रहा है वो हमें स्टार्टिंग में ही दिख रहा है, राइट, एट दिस पॉइंट, एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट इज़ ग्लोइंग वेरी मच ब्राइटली. So yeah, this is our project of fading LED, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, right? This project, and you know, you guys have, if you have any doubt regarding this project, right, you can just comment it down in the comment section, and all your doubts will be resolved, right? So there's nothing to worry about it. It's just, you know, it's just about practice. When you will go through the projects, you will get to know much more about this Tinkercad, Arduino, and how it, you know, things come together and work as a single project, right? Whether it being coding or the circuit design, or you know, the selection of the components that we are doing over here. So yaar, इसी के साथ we'll be ending our this video. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and any doubts regarding this project, you can just comment it down. So yeah, till then, peace out.
See you again.